Hello, it has been brought to my attention by many of you that we are not following proper hygienic hand washing procedures before we leave the restroom. In order to help stop the spread of germs, we are going to be implementing a two-phase process. The first is we are going to start requiring um, the use of a song as you're washing your hands. um, to ensure that you're getting all the yuck and germs. The second phase of that is going to be we're going to install germ detectors. So before you leave the restroom, you'll have to show your hands, and if it shows a significant amount of germs that are there's still residue on your hands, you're going to have to rewash your hands before you can leave the restroom. Um, but for the first phase, we're just going to ask you to sing the song, wash, wash, wash your hands, wash them every day. Scrub and scrub and scrub and scrub, wash the germs away. I'm going to ask you to sing that through twice before you exit the restroom. Thank you for your time, and you guys have a wonderful germ-free day.